Alright, let's take a look now at the trouble code option. Now this is actually the same thing you just saw on the first page. It's just broken down a little bit different. This is the older version that we had available. So once I type in the code, you can see what the code is here. You can hit the descriptions, which it gives you information about the code. Then it automatically pulls all the wiring diagrams together for you, all the connector in views, your locator, as you can see here, the testing procedures, remove and install procedures, and then your specs. So this is a very powerful and a huge time saver. If you type your code in there and then you don't have to go looking through the books and manuals trying to find the information, it's all going to be brought right to your screen so that you can go ahead and use it, print it, whatever it is you're going to have when working on that truck.